Hi, everybody. Welcome to Reality Buzz TV, where we talk about all things reality TV shows and all things reality TV show stars. So, listen, you guys, I do apologize for disappearing for some time. I was in the hospital, but now I am back. Okay. If my voice sounds different, it's because I am recovering, but I'm okay now. So listen, you guys, I want to talk about this trailer that they released for the special of Utano Nesimbo that they will be giving us in December. So, well, it's already December, so I guess this coming weekend. Now, you guys, listen. I was looking forward to seeing the trailer because the trailer makes you excited about the coming show. But I really don't think that they did a good job with this trailer because after watching this trailer, I was like, I I don't know if I'm excited about this special anymore. I feel like they didn't put a lot of effort in making us excited to see this special. One, you guys, I think we are going to be seeing some stuff from some gay's baby shower. And I think this is the baby shower that we never got to see from the show, her first baby, because of course we haven't seen a season where she's having her second baby. So I'm thinking if the footage is from the previous seasons, then this must be a baby shower from her first baby, and it looks like some of the wives might have attended the baby shower, and she's delivering a speech thanking them for attending the baby shower, which is a surprise, even though it's not the most exciting thing to see on the show. But yeah, it looks like some of the wives might have attended the baby shower. We're going to be seeing that. We are also going to be seeing Umangwawe having a conversation again with her daughter. I guess maybe it's an extension of the conversation we saw on the show where they were talking about the fact that her and Umtombeni will be getting a divorce. And Umangwabe, I don't know, you guys. It's almost like, like when you see your child upset, you know most people like you will be upset about the fact that your child is upset, and uma ngabe ngathi akena umuntu okhombisa ama-emotions when that happens, like when her daughter says, why do you have to get a divorce? And she's like, because I want to. I'm like, is that how you would answer your daughter? you know? So I guess we'll be seeing Mangabe having that conversation, which I think it's just a pointless conversation because Mangabe is never going to divorce or Umselegu. Then another conversation that is going to be shown is a conversation between Musamselego and Makumalo about the fact that Musamselego took a wife that comes from the same village as Makumalo, and he will be apologizing for that mistake as if ukhuzukile and woke up having a wife from the village Yagamakumalo. Because it's like it's a mistake. I apologize for taking a wife from your village. Do you know how the process of taking a wife from a certain village? You go to that village, you shell her the wife from the village, you shell her until she says yes. So it's a very long mistake to make. It takes a long process to make for someone to come back and say, now I am sorry, I made that mistake. Does he think ukuthi uMakhumalo is stupid? That is why Makumalo is so bored in that conversation. But I have to say, you guys, I really miss Umakumalo that we had in earlier seasons. Like, there's a spark that is gone in Makumalo on the show. Like she is just now blank. She's like over it. She's over the show. She's over Umselegu. There's no excitement. There's no life. She's just like when is this conversation going to be over? So I really miss the old Makumalo on the show. I don't want to lie. I don't want to lie. I hate even the commentary I used to do saying that Uma Khumalo Papa Manje, I want her to come back as O Papa because I really hate how she is now on the show. It's like I want her to go back to how she used to be like before. Now it's just I don't like the way that she is, you guys. I feel like even the comments that we made maybe in reviewing the show affected her. So she is just different from the way that she was now. I hate that for her. Now, you guys, with Umayeni, it looks like there's a conversation that will be taking place between her and Umselegu, where she will be telling Umselegu Guti she is just done, something like that, like she is usebegezele kwanela, you know. But you know what, guys, with these wives, any conversation that takes place that indicates that they want to leave, I don't take them seriously. Anytime that they are talking about leaving this man, I don't take them seriously. It's like automatically my ears close when they have those conversations, because none of these women are going to leave this man. It's not gonna happen, okay? I think when they do those scenes, they are just adding on to the scenes on the show so that, you know, it can be more exciting. But none of them are going to leave the show. Now, you guys, we also get the angry mama, okay? Umacele, for some reason, is just angry, okay? She shows up on this trailer just angry, saying, yeah, 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 yeah. But I don't know what she's saying, yeah, 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 about who. I guess all I can say is that she's going to be saying, she's going to be angry at somebody, okay? You know, the very strange thing that will happen is if Uma Kwela ends up getting along with the other wives, you know, because it looks like Uma Kwela wanted to be the only one that gets along with Uma Kwela. If Uma Kwela ends up getting along with the other wives, that would really upset Uma Kwela, even though she wouldn't say. Anyway, you guys, Umselego also does have a conversation with Umpumelelo, trying to tell Umpumelelo ukuthi I guess he made some mistakes as far as his mother is concerned. I don't know why he likes talking about his relationship with his wife, with his son. I don't know, you guys. I don't know. I don't get it. I don't get it. But anyway, you guys, that's what is going to be happening. I guess what I'm trying to say, you guys, is that I really wanted them to give us a trailer. But when the trailer came, I really don't feel like it made me so excited to see the show. I don't feel like there are a lot of things that we're going to be seeing on this special that is new. Okay, I feel like a lot of things, it's a continuation of things that we've already seen. I think the only new thing is going to be the baby shower and the fact that some or all of the wives attended some guest baby shower, because that is something that we did not know. We did not know that the wives had gone as far as attend a baby shower and that they had met her and maybe even accepted her and that maybe they've even met the baby. That is the part that we did not know. That is the new part. But everything else, Mangwabe wanting to leave Umselegu, Mayeni wanting to leave Umselegu, Macele being an angry wife, Kumalo being over it, all of that we already know. So that's why I said that this trailer did not make me excited about this show. Am I still going to watch it? Of course. Okay. Of course, I am still going to watch it, but it did not make me excited. Okay. Anyway, thank you so much. Nginethanda kakhulu.